How to cook Mascovado Banana Cake. Here are the ingredients: Cavendish ripe banana, we have Mascovado sugar, we have brown sugar, 1 cup, we have 1/2 cup of milk, we have a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup cooking oil, baking soda and baking powder. We have our flour, 3 cups. What we're going to do is remove the peel of our banana. If it is overripe, much better because it will give a brownish color. 4 pieces. Okay, and then get a fork. If you have 2, much better. And then we are going to mash our ripe banana. Actually, you can use blender, but using fork will give us a good texture. You can really see and feel the banana. Okay, so we are going to mash it first so that it will be exposed to oxygen and that it will become brown. So it will add color to our cake. So 4 pieces only for 1 layer of banana cake. Okay, so if you can see the brownish color there, it is showing that our banana is already overripe. Okay, so it's easy to mash. Okay, so we have our mashed Cavendish banana. We are using Cavendish banana. Okay, all done. Mash well so that it will combine well to our flour later. Okay, so there you have it. Set aside your banana. And now, get your flour and we will sieve it using our sifter or our strainer. Okay, so if you notice, there are lumps of flour, so we are going to remove that one because it will not mix well if you will not sieve the flour. Okay, so 3 cups of it. Then, after sieving the flour, we will preheat our oven to 170 degrees Celsius, and then we will go back to our mixture. Now we have here the eggs being beat. First is we will combine our solid ingredients. So our flour, then we will put our baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, then mix well. Sorry for the portrait image. Then we have our milk. Mix again so that it will have uniform taste. Now our pinch of salt. You have 2 ways. You can combine it with egg or you can have it combined with your solid ingredients. It's all okay. Mix well again. Then add your 1 cup of brown sugar. Okay. And of course, our Mascovado sugar. Okay, 1/2 cup of it. Mix well. The Mascovado sugar will give us the brownish color of our banana cake later. Okay, So make sure that they are evenly combined, the ingredients are evenly combined before you will add your liquid ingredients. Okay, so all set. Make a hole at the center, put your oil, and mix, or you can have it together with your egg. Okay, put the 2 pieces of beaten egg. Okay, my son Terence is assisting me. There you have it. Okay, mix well. So you have your liquid and your solid ingredients. Mix well. So if you notice, I use coconut oil. You can also use butter or margarine. Now put your mashed banana. Take note that it is already brownish in color. Mix again. Okay, so mix well so that it will have uniform taste. Okay, so here we go. This is now our mixture. Now we will put this in our cooking pan. I'm using spatula to mix them all. Okay, so we have here our mixture of our banana cake. This is called batter. Now we will prepare our pan. We use cooking oil to lubricate instead of using glassine paper. We use oil because we don't have available glassine paper. Okay, so we will put our mixture in our 2 baking pan. This is fitted to our small oven. Okay, so we divide this into 2. Our baking pan, the rectangular one, and then we have our circular baking pan. This is 5 by 3. Okay, so we will put it together in our 2 pan, and then we will cook it to our oven. Actually, you have the option. You can also cook in the steam, using steam, or else you can use the oven. Okay, so our oven is already preheated. We will put our butter inside. Okay, and then we will adjust our temperature to we will have a timer 45 minutes and our temperature to 175 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, look at that. It's already rising, and you can see after 45 minutes we remove already in the oven, and here we go. If you notice, there are black, it's not a raisin, it's the part of Mascovado sugar that we use. There are lumps of it, and so it added to the beauty of our banana cake. So we will slice this one. Come on, let's sit together. Okay, so it's not really that soft because I reduced the amount of oil. Okay, so that's inside. What's inside our banana cake? Yummy. Now let's eat. Come on. Taste. Yummy. And my assistant. Sarap. Oops, we have our second layer of our cake. The bigger one by 2. This is 7 by 2 in size, and there are extra in our linera. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. for another recipe. Oops! Not yet done eating!